Let's see how to create a running animation in just a few easy steps. Let's go ahead and let's get started. So first step, let's open up the base plate for today. Now you don't really need to know how to animate for this because everything is going to be done from the toolbox. So open up the toolbox, let's search for, you can search for any type of animation. I'll just search for a ninja run. Experiment a bit with these, see which one you like. You can add 5, 6, 7 at a time. I'm going to add just one because I know the one that I already want. And that's going to be this ninja run over here. Now once you add it, at the very top, click on avatar. Once you're on avatar, click animation. The best part of using the toolbox is the animation is already done. Somebody has done the animation for you. Let's click on this character, you can skip this step and then press play. Make sure that the loop button is toggled. If you don't toggle the loop, it will just play once and doesn't really look good. So toggle loop, click on play, and there's the animation running. And I think this looks quite cool. Since I like it, I'll give it a name. Let's call it Ninja Run Animation. Press enter, click the 3 dots. Once you click the 3 dots, publish to Roblox. Publish to Roblox. We don't need to delete the local instances. Let's click save, uploading, and let's close it for now. Let's close the animations. We're all done from this. We can even remove the ninja character. And then once you do all of that, open up the Explorer window. If you don't know how to open up the Explorer window, just go to Home, and then you'll see Explorer and Properties. These are your two best friends, we always use them. In the Explorer window, let's go to Starter Player, small triangle, and then you have Starter Player Scripts. Click plus, let's add a local script. Once you've added the local script, let's remove print hello world. And I'm going to leave all of this in the comments, in the first comment of this video. Don't forget, you can also join the Discord so you can ask as many questions as you need. You can even copy and paste the scripts from there, but you can also ask if you get stuck, but you can also share the games that you make. There's our script. Now all of these are variables and we have a YouTube series coming up soon that will be explaining almost all the basic concepts when it comes to coding. So functions, variables, and all of that. But over here we do have to enter our animation ID. It's also going to make the player go faster at a speed of 28 as soon as we press the shift button. Okay, so toolbox, my inventory. Instead of my models, let's go to my animations. Ninja Run Animation, right click, copy asset ID. Let's close this and we can paste the ID over here. Let's click play. As soon as I click on play, so this is the normal animation, there's nothing more to it. As soon as I press shift, there we go. The animation is active and the character walks and runs a bit differently from what he usually runs and walks like. You can adjust these, you can find your favorite animations, and it will all work the same. More animation videos and series will be uploaded soon, so make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to join the Discord, which is completely for free. I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you all for viewing. See you in the next one.